ASI is a full-service marine engineering company. We started back in 1987 with the thought of providing strong technical skills with strong professional skills. I still remember our first office was above a welding shop. I think we had 500 square feet, and it was myself and 2 other people. Now we have 120 employees.
Back in 1990, 1991, zebra mussel infestation in the Great Lakes was hitting its peak.
So we started doing mussel control, and then based on that, clients would say, well, what else is in our infrastructure? So we had divers go in to take a look.
What commercial divers can do that advancing technology can't do is they can give the actual physical hands-on inspection underwater.
We're able to do deep water diving, welding and burning. There are times when we're swinging a hammer and nail underwater.
Hyperbaric intervention involves basically putting people under pressure in front of a tunnel boring machine.
When a tunnel boring machine goes into soft ground earth, that space is the same as being underwater. Our divers therefore have the experience of working underwater in the same pressurized environment.
We're the only company in Canada doing this. It's very exciting and it's very demanding.
Where it was too dangerous for divers to go in, we started employing ROVs, which are remotely operated vehicles.
We saw an opportunity to develop a robotic system to handle those types of projects.
We would provide sonar profiling, sonar imaging, underwater mapping, bathymetric surveys.
The new vehicle that we have, it's a modified Mohican. The sensors that are on there have never been combined in that way before.
That's what gives us the eyes. We can see in conditions that normally you wouldn't be able to observe in.
With all that information coming back, we're able to recreate that tunnel in full 3D, as if you were able to walk down it.
But I still don't think it'll ever be finished. We're always upgrading, we're always making it better, we're always working out ways to improve.
You always want to be able to provide more.
We have been active internationally since 1993.
We mobilize all over the world.
Started in Peru, went to Finland, Australia, New Zealand.
Right now we're in Scotland, we've got another one in France.
We've opened up an office in Vancouver and in Chile.
It's wherever it takes us. Strong technical with a very, very strong professional side. And that's the premise that we started with, and it's still the premise today.
ASI is in the business where hazardous work is the norm. There is no room for error.
If you think of the services ASI provides, they are very risky. So we've put a lot of effort right from day one on health and safety.
Governments, regulatory bodies, certification bodies set a minimum standard, but at ASI we believe in going further than that. So leadership, commitment, engagement, participation all comes naturally to ASI employees. I believe that's what sets us apart.
It's been 30 years we've not had a major incident, no sir, and we won't. The advantage of using ASI is that we provide the turnkey solutions, and by that I mean we handle all of it for the client. So it gives the client peace of mind, it gives the client one point of contact. He's not dealing with 3 or 4 different companies.
I think if you look at the return customers, it's a testament of the work that we perform.
If you're asking me personally what makes me the proudest ASI is seeing the staff that we have employed here. We've developed such a strong team. There's major issues still not solved in the world as far as in the water industry that could be solved with certain types of technical advancements. And that's something that ASI is just poised to do so well right now.